So in this video, we're going to learn how to solve for two-step equations by isolating a variable. So if you have an equation like 6x plus 4 equals 40, whatever is attached to the variable, you want to do that last. So in this case, in this equation on the left side, 4 is being added. So we want to subtract that from both sides. When you do that, on this left side of the equal sign, the 4 is going to cancel out, which leaves you with 6x equals, and 40 minus 4 is 36. Now the last step is to do whatever's attached to the variable. In this case, 6 is being multiplied to x, so we do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So 6x divided by 6, 36 divided by 6 will give us x equals 6. And always check your answer. So if I plug in 6 for x, 6 times 6 is 36, plus 4 equals 40. So we know that it makes sense. Another equation that we can do would be 10x minus 4 equals 96. Again, whatever's attached to the variable, you want to do that last. So in this case, 4 is being subtracted. So in order to move it to the other side, we have to add 4. So if I add 4 to both sides, and I rewrite my equation, I'm going to have 10x, this is going to cancel out, equals 96 plus 4, which is 100. And now we have to get rid of whatever's attached to the variable, which is 10. 10 is being multiplied to x, so we're going to divide it to get rid of it. 10 divided by 10 is going to cancel out, which will leave us with x equals 100 divided by 10, which is 10. And again, we plug it back in. 10 times x, 10 times 10 is 100, minus 4 equals 96, so it makes sense. Let's do another one. Let's do 4x minus 2. We'll put the equal sign on this side, and we'll have it equal 10. So again, whatever's attached to the variable, you do that last. So in this case, if 2 is being subtracted on this side, we're going to add it so that it cancels out. So if we add 2 here and add 2 here, we know that negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so it will cancel out. And that'll leave us with 10 plus 2 is 12 equals 4x. And then our last step is to get rid of the 4 because it's attached to the variable. It's being multiplied, so we want to divide it. This will leave us with x equals 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And again, plug it back in. 4 times 3 is 12, minus our original 2. 12 minus 2 is 10.